There is no end of camouflage Allah has given living things. Use objects or surroundings to conceal themselves. This small fish, for example, is trying to make a safe place for itself by emptying sand out of an oyster. This octopus employs a very clever technique of camouflage. It first gathers mussels and then hides in the shells, something to pass by, looking for food among the mussels. We shall shortly witness a surprise by this crab. It carefully eats the frond plant that is on the sea. Will it do it? The answer is surprising. It hides itself. The crab arranges the fronds over itself and prepares a cloak of seaweed. Thus comes to possess a camouflage. Crab carefully arranges it over it. That enables it easily among. Interestingly, the crab secretes a sticky liquid in order to keep branches in place. Words in the animal's body and its behavioral patterns have been created to match. This crab is cutting up a sponge. It might sound, but it is so itself. The prepared. We need to and think to crab planet. So how does it know it has to camouflage itself? Crab technique is in camouflage. It sticks and leaves over itself. How has the learned this camouflage? Clear that it has to do this. There is doubt Allah created things from nothing, who has created the crab and endowed it with this intelligent method of protecting itself.